Alright, welcome back to the channel. Just another quick video for you guys today. I'm going to be throwing some oversized foot pegs on the CRF125 big wheel. As you can see, maybe not. This one's bent. Other one not so much, but just a simple yet effective mod. Just something to do to the bike, honestly, kind of beef it up a little bit more. So I'm going to unbox that package and get started. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try the chest rig out today. See how that does. So these are from not Amazon, eBay. I mean, these are probably all made in the same warehouse, so nothing really to it. Got your hardware here. Boom, got your foot pegs. That's it. Nothing to it. I mean, they look solid. Feel pretty heavy, so kind of compare these to what we have going on here now. Let's see. So definitely a size difference. So it'd be a major improvement over this tiny peg. So yeah. Let's go ahead and take these old ones off. Doesn't look too crazy, and see what these ones look like. I've gathered pretty much 2 sets of pliers. Got some dikes here, some needle nose. Basically, just looks like you have to remove the cotter pin here and slide out. I guess this really just slides out. Let's see. Like that. So let's see, hopefully this other one fits. So it's definitely this side. So hole matches up pretty decent. Let's see if this fits through here. When I'm using this kind of stuff, especially cheaper products, I'd rather use the OEM actual hardware versus this stuff. I mean, it's probably the same, but let's see what we got. So spring will fit in there. Probably not. Tap. Still fold up. Yeah, I think that's the way to do it. OEM spring, OEM pin. This spring is kind of weak, honestly. Yeah, I like that. I like that way better. All right, so what I ended up doing, the OEM pin didn't fit the new cotter pin. I even tried a couple extra ones I have, so I went ahead and just used the provided pin with a shorter cotter pin that I had. It seemed a little bit stronger, so that works, and still fold, no issues. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and should go a lot quicker. Like I said, you really need 2 tools. Probably do it 1 pair of pliers, but these cotter pins on here are kind of cheap, so I think instead of fighting with them, snap them with some dikes. Can you see that? I don't know. snips. There you go. That's a PC word. Or these here. That pin out. Just pop that spring. So we're even like not getting in the camera. Trying to work on it. Snap that in there. That was way easier. Just a little washer here. Throw that on. Maybe. Alright, that's pretty much it. New foot pegs. Definitely create a wider stance on the bike. Feel way more planted too, I'm not gonna lie, even just here. So, yeah. Alright, there you have it, foot pegs installed. Nothing really to it, like I said. Real quick video for you guys. Just something to get out there. Had these sitting around, so figured might as well throw them on. Thanks for the support, man. Almost at 100 subs, so definitely a couple more vids I want to drop before the year ends, just to keep that momentum going. But like, comment, subscribe, man, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Just